Hello, it's Bill. I'm still over here on Trent, Napa. And we have another eastbound. I haven't got a westbound yet. .4028 lead locomotive. Yeah, we have a gentleman over there working on the tracks. Don't know what he's doing though. Looked like he was sweeping something out. Well, there it goes. Let's go to the other side. I like to wait till 3 o'clock. I think Union Pacific comes by. But I don't know if I will. What a view. Beautiful. This is a shout out to a Canadian friend of ours. His name is Terry B. That's all I'm going to say. You know who you are. Thanks for subscribing, Terry. Alright, we're going to go to the other direction now. I think this will be the last one in here. Take our groceries home and go back out. Get another coat because I'm getting chilly. And there's the end, 7309. Working really hard too. Yeah, I might go over to McDonald's. I don't know. We'll see. All right, everybody. Train is gone. Bill's going to take off and go somewhere else. All right, everybody. You take very good care of yourself and take care of each other. All right, Bill out.